In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete campaigns in Mailchimp. If your dashboard is starting to feel cluttered or you simply want to remove old email campaigns that are no longer needed, this tutorial will guide you through the process in a quick and easy way. Keeping your Mailchimp account organized can make managing your email marketing much smoother and help you focus on active campaigns that truly matter. To begin, open your browser and head over to the Mailchimp website. Then log into your account. Once you're signed in, you'll arrive at your dashboard where all of your marketing tools and campaign data are located. From the navigation panel on the left side of the screen, click on the Campaigns section. This will open the page containing all of the email campaigns connected to your account. If you have several campaigns saved, scrolling through the entire list can take some time. Fortunately, Mailchimp includes a search bar and filter tools that make it easier to find exactly what you're looking for. You can use these options to quickly locate the campaign you want to remove from your account. After finding the correct campaign, look to the side of that campaign entry for the drop-down menu. Clicking this menu will reveal several management options related to that specific campaign. From the list, select the Delete option to continue. At this point, it's important to pause for a moment and carefully confirm that you selected the correct campaign. Deleting the wrong campaign could remove valuable email content, reports, or analytics that you may still need later. Taking a few extra seconds to double-check can save you from unnecessary mistakes. Once you click Delete, Mailchimp will display a confirmation message on your screen. This serves as the final verification step before the campaign is permanently removed. Read through the prompt carefully, and if you're completely sure about your decision, confirm the deletion to proceed. After confirming, the campaign will be removed from your Mailchimp account. The entire process is very straightforward and usually takes only a few minutes from start to finish. One important thing to remember is that deleted campaigns generally cannot be restored later. Because of this, it's always a good idea to save any important reports, analytics, or campaign content before removing it permanently. Staying organized while keeping backups of important information can help you manage your email marketing more effectively in the long run. And that's it. You now know how to delete campaigns in Mailchimp and keep your dashboard clean and organized for future projects and marketing efforts. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.